In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to configure the trays for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series. In our last tutorial, we have shown you how to load letter size paper into tray 1 and tabloid size paper into tray 2. Now, we are going to show you how to configure the settings such that if you are to print from Microsoft Word and select letter or tabloid size documents, it will automatically print from the correct tray. So on your computer, go to Control Panel. You may do a search for Control Panel. Under Control Panel, go to View Devices and Printers. Go to Printers and Scanners. Select HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 series. Go to the Printer Properties. Under Properties, select Device Settings. So currently the printer auto select is letter size. For tray 2, since we have loaded tabloid size media, we'll select tray 2 as tabloid. Under Installable Options, for duplex unit, we'll select Installed, since this printer supports duplex printing. And again for tray 2, we'll select Installed as well. So let's apply the settings. Once this is done, if you are in a Word document and your document size is tabloid, it will automatically print from tray 2. So this is how you configure the trays for your HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series.